First off, can we just notice how great of a job I did with the duct tape work so that I didn't have to edit anything out? Can you see this, guys? Yeah, that's right. You won't know anything. Yeah. Okay, to get into this review video, let's go. Okay, so guys, here we have a good old box from Mechanical Keyboards. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can tell, mechanical keyboard, I have a mechanical keyboard literally up in the screen up here. You guys can't see it because it's out of frame. It's actually on top of the new computer. But I got a new one. This is something that I've wanted since I ever heard of gaming. It's something that I'm very, very passionate about, and I didn't know where else to get it from. Of course, I duct tape it closed, which just sucks even worse. So without further ado, check this out. So, don't gotta worry about editing anything out because I duct taped it, so good job on me. Here we have the Ducky One 2 Mini 60% RGB keyboard. This thing is something that I've looked forward to for so long, and I'm just happy to really have it now. So, without further ado, let's just keep opening it. I got the Ducky One 2 Mini. Oh my god, dude. I've waited for this thing so long. Everyone said to get something else, but you know what? I was like, nope, screw you, dude. I wanted to get this. Okay, here we have it. I'm gonna open this guy. So I think I got the Year of the Pig, which unfortunately, because I wanted the Year of the Dog, but obviously, you know, I didn't really want to wait a year to get this, so I got the Year of the Pig, so it's just gonna be a fat-ass pig, I guess. So hopefully this angle is right, guys. If it's not, I do apologize. So here we have, I guess, a protectant for if you ever need to, like, ship it somewhere or you need to transport it. And then here is where we have the actual keyboard. Oh my god, this thing is actually so incredibly small. Oh my god. Wow. This thing is tiny. Now guys, I got the cherry red, which is what the insert's called. It's just called a cherry red. So I didn't want something so like hard to press down, but the brown a lot of people seem to have as well, but the red honestly doesn't seem too bad. It's very, like, I wouldn't say clicky. I just actually want to test this out real quick. Oh, this is perfect. This thing is actually cool. Now I want to see how Tfue does it like this. Dude, this is freaking weird. How do you... Yeah, I don't know how he does it. Anyways, this is the Ducky 60% keyboard. So, to give you guys a verifiable difference, let me just show you, okay? So that's the Ducky 60%. This is a full-size keyboard, okay? This has literally, I mean, as you can tell, it's quite a big difference. They both have RGB lighting, which is fantastic. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and light this thing up if I can even find the cables to it. Yeah, so right here, I did get an extra keyboard. This is the Year of the Pig, if you guys can see that right there. Let it focus a little bit. This is the Year of the Pig, not Year of the Dog, unfortunately, but oh well. I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on. But first, I gotta get these grabbers out. Let's see if I can do it. See, as you guys can see, I have the cherry red mouse key right there, or keyboard key. You guys can see that now. So I got the cherry red. I'm gonna put this guy on, the Year of the Piggy. Why do they sound so clicky? So, I put this guy on. Honestly, you can tell that it's quite a different color, but it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope, at least. And it is still a full size, enough keyboard thing to use, so you can actually use. I don't understand why it's so clicky. Oh my god, never mind. That's the other one. This is this one. I'm fine with that. That is absolutely fantastic. That I am 100% okay with that. And if not, I can always change it back. But we're just gonna go ahead and I feel like we should change out the keys a little bit. Maybe not. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna save the keys because I feel like with my stupidity, I will forget which keys are which. So I'm just gonna save this for later. Probably not ever change out the keys except for the spacebar, because the spacebar is one thing that you change out. So, given that, now that we have everything sorted out, I'm going to go ahead and plug this guy in. Ba-bam! It is all plugged in. As you guys can see, I'm sorry that I just moved the tripod, but as you guys can see, it is an RGB color. So, now it's a matter of, and I gotta get used to this for sure. So, it is definitely a lot different than using a regular keyboard for sure. Overall, this thing is actually really, really nice. Like, I really like it. Maybe I should have gotten brown, but honestly, this thing is rather nice. I just gotta get used to the keyboard now because it is completely different. So, this is the overall unboxing of the Ducky One 2 Mini 60% RGB keyboard. You guys can get this from mechanicalkeyboards.com. I will put a link down below. So right now I think these are in pre-order, but I was so impatient to wait another like 3-4 months. So I was like, you know what, next one you get, give me it right now, and I did. So thank you, Mechanical Keyboards. I really do appreciate it. This video is not sponsored by them or anything. But I'm really happy that I got my 60% keyboard now, so I'm gonna go ahead and play some Fortnite and try it out. Now guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the support that you've been giving me recently. I am sorry that this is another video that concluded with a piece of technology. I'm not trying to be a tech review, it's just that all these things that I'm getting, it's I thought I'd just review them so that maybe you guys can use it for your advantage and say, hey, he has one, he's a regular person, I can trust that. Instead of a guy that's getting sponsored and be like, oh, they just robbed my money. No. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Help me get 500 subscribers within this month of June. I know it's still possible. It may be a little far-fetched, but just help me get it. I do appreciate everything you guys do for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.